Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 1 math. You can find all the lessons on A plus students. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab, scroll down to grade 1 math, and then click on view all lessons. There you can find the list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter addition. The lessons we're going to cover today are addition fact sums up to 18, addition word problem sums up to 18, addition sentences for word problem sums up to 18, and addition fact sums up to 20. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. So here I'm on grade 1 math. Chapter we're on right now is addition. The lessons we're going to cover today are okay, here I'm on grade 1 math. The chapter we're on right now is addition. Let's just start with the lesson addition fact sums up to 18. Add 9 plus 8. So we need to add, start with 9 and count up to 8. So when we start with 9 and count up to 8, that would be 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. So 9 plus 8 makes 17. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. 0 plus 5. So adding any number to 0 means the number stays the same, right? So 0 plus 5 means 5. It is option number 1 is the correct option. Three plus 0. So 0 plus 3 means 3. Option number 2 is the correct option. Adding 0 means the number stays the same. Seven plus 6. Start with 7 and count up to 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. Starting with 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 7 plus 8 makes 13. The correct option is 13. Option number 1 is the correct option. Got it? 3 plus 2. So start with 3 and count up to 2. So which is the correct option? That is 5. Option number 3 is the correct option. 3 plus 2 makes 5. Four plus 5. So starting with 4 and count up to 5. Very good. That makes 9. Option number 4 is the correct option. 9 plus 8. So start with 9 and count up to 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. So 9 plus 8 makes 17. The correct option is 17. Option number 2 is the correct option. That would be 17. 3 plus 0 makes 0 plus 3 makes 3. Option number 3 is the correct option. 4 plus 2 makes 4 plus 2 makes, yes, 6 it is. Option number 4 is the correct option. 9 plus 2 makes 11 it is. Option number 2 is the option. 8 plus 2 makes, very good, 10 it is. Option number 1 is the correct option. 9 plus 0 makes 9 it is. Option number 4 is the correct option. 7 plus 5 makes. Start with 7 and count up to 5. So the correct option is 12. It is option number 3 is the correct option. Got it? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. The next one is addition word problem sums to 18. A cookie jar is sitting on a high shelf. Ein stands on a pile of six couch pillows and four bed pillows to reach it. How many pillows did Ein use to reach the cookie jar? So six couch pillows and four bed pillows. You need to count how many total they are, right? So you need to add 6 plus 4. Start with 6, count up to 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the correct option is 10. Let's just start with the test questions. In a rainforest, there is one small parakeet and one large parakeet. What is the total parakeet population? So one small and one large. So you need to add 1 plus 1 makes 2. So there are two total parakeets. The correct option is 2. Option number 1 is the correct option. Tammy has a chest of coins. Inside there are 4 gold coins and 8 silver coins. How many coins are in the chest? So we need to add 8 plus 4. Start to 4. 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So 8 plus 4 makes 8 plus 4 makes 12. Option number 1 is the correct option. After a forest fire, there are 8 old trees plus 4 baby trees called saplings. How many trees are there overall? So you need to add 8 plus 4. So start with 8 and count up to 4. So which is the correct option? That is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 8 plus 4 makes 12. Option number 2 is the correct option. On an island, there are 4 wild horses and 6 tame horses. In total, how many horses are on the island? So just add 6 plus 4 makes. So 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 6 plus 4 makes 10. Option number 2 is the correct option. 6 plus 4 makes 10. Option number 2 is the correct option. 1 afternoon, Keith caught 4 tadpoles in a pond and took them home. They left 4 tadpoles in the pond. How many tadpoles were in the pond before? 4 plus 4 makes. Start with 4, count up to 4. So start with 4 and count up to 4. That would be very good. 8. Option number 1 is the correct option. Monica had to do the dishes after work. She washed 4 small plates and 1 large plate. How many plates did she wash in total? So 4 plus 1 makes. 4 plus 1 makes 5. Option number 3 is the correct option. Angie helped her father bake cookies. They baked 6 sugar cookies and 1 chocolate chip cookie. How many cookies did they bake altogether? 7 it is. Very good. 6 plus 1 makes 7. Option number 4 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is addition sentences for word problem sums up to 10. A truck dropped off milk at two stores. It used 1 gallon of gas to drive the first store and 1 gallon to drive the second. How many gallons of gas did the truck use? So 1 plus 1 makes 1 plus 1 makes 2. Let's just start with the test questions. Last week on a show about superheroes, the main character rescued 4 boys and 1 girl from danger. How many people did the hero rescue last week? So 4 plus 1 we need to add. So we need to write down addition sentence that fits the story. So which is the correct option? That is 4 plus 1 equals 5. Option number. Yeah, you're right. You said before me. That is 4 plus 1 equals 5. Option number 1 is the correct option. Very good. One afternoon, Erica caught 2 tadpoles in a pond and took them home. That left 1 tadpole in the pond. How many tadpoles were in the pond before? So, which is the correct option? That would be 2 plus 1 equals 3. Option number 1 is the correct option. 3 it is. May only feeds her dog 2 kinds of treat. Last year, May fed her dog 1 peanut butter and 3 carrots treat. How many treats did May feed her dog last year? So 3 plus 1 makes. Start with 3 and count up to 1. So 3 plus 1 equals. 3 plus 1 makes 4. Option number 2 is the correct option. Option number 2 is the correct option. That is 1 plus 3 equals 4. Homer goes on vacation to the Bahamas. He sent three postcards to friends and two postcards to family members. How many postcards does he send in all? So, which is the correct option? That would be 3 plus 2. Very good. Option number 3 is the correct option. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Yesterday, Joseph took care of his younger brother and sister. He picked up three of his brother's toy and one of his sister's toy. How many toys did Joseph pick up? So 3 plus 1 equals 4. The last option is the correct option. Camel's favorite game at the carnival are the bottle stand game and the rope ladder climb. Camel tries the bottle stand game 4 times and the rope ladder climb 1 time in all. How many times did Camel play the game? So, which is the correct option? That is 4 plus 1 equals 5. The last option is the correct option. Very good. Brittany is building a cabinet. She needs three 1 inch bolts and 1.5 inch bolt. How many bolts in all does Brittany need? Option number 2 is the correct option. That is 3 plus 1 equals 4. Option number 2 is the correct option. Last week on a show about superheroes, the main character rescued one boy and four girls from danger. How many people did the hero rescue last week? So, which is the correct option? That is 1 plus 4 equals 5. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. Addition fact sums up to 20. Let's just start with the test questions. 2 plus 9. Start with 9 and count up to 2. That is 9 plus 2 makes 11. Option number 2 is the correct option. Seven plus 8. Start with 7 and count up to 8. So that is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 7 plus 8 makes 15. Option number 2 is the correct option. And 15 it is. Ten plus 8, which is the correct option? 18 it is. Option number 1 is the correct option. 7 plus 1, which is the correct option? 8 it is. Option number 3 is the correct option. 7 plus 1 is 8. Very good. 10 plus 10, which is the correct option? That is 20. Option number 1 is the correct option. 8 plus 8 makes 16. It is. Option number 2 is the correct option. Very good. 10 plus 0 makes 10 plus 0 makes 10. Option number 4 is the correct option. 2 plus 10 makes 10 plus 2 makes 12. Option number 1 is the correct option. 5 plus 5 makes 10. It is. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 1 math chapter. We were working is 18. The lessons we have covered today are in fact sums up to 18. Addition word problem sums up to 18. Addition sentences for word problem sums up to 18. Addition fact sums up to 20. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session. So if you need more help with any of the lessons, you can simply click on the live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you. Or either you can write them down in the chat box. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. So any questions, you can please write them down in the chat box. Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.